Hello everyone, welcome to Siri Capsules. So as a request from the subscribers my channel and request me to do the videos by English. So today we'll talk about the standard current ratings, how to select the standard current ratings and short circuit current ratings of the medium voltage medium voltage circuit breakers, and this will continuation for the previous videos which was talking about circuit breakers but for the low voltage. So we need to know in these videos what is the standards should be used during selecting the standard current ratings as per American standards or Europe standard. So if you are going to use American standard, you should follow IEEE C3706. And if you are going to use for Europe standards, so you should follow IEC 62271-1. This is the most important standards during selecting the standard current ratings and short circuit current ratings of the medium voltage circuit breakers. So let's go to our screen to see more information about these two standards.
So we'll start talk about the standards, or we'll start with IEC 62271-1. Actually, as per section 5.5 of this standard is referring to how to select the rated continuous current or standard current rating of the medium volt circuit breaker. Actually, it is following the same concept of the low voltage circuit breaker selection by using R10 series, which already explained earlier in previous videos. So if you go up, you will find the recommendation to see this video, and actually it is mentioned clearly in IEC 659. And we'll take example how to select the circuit breaker for the medium voltage current rating. So for example, if you take 1.6 by using R series or R10 series method, so you should select 1600 amp. If you select, for example, 2.5 means you can take circuit breaker with 2500 amp. 3.5 means 3015 amp. Sorry, 3150 amp. So also it's the same concept for the rated short circuit time withstand current. It's also using R10 series as per IEC 659. So also take an example from the series here. If you selecting 2.5 means 25 kilo amp, 3.15 means 31.5 amp. Okay, let's go also to one of the important point for each engineer during preparing the MR method requisition, or preparing the technical specification of the switch gears medium voltage, or also selecting the circuit breaker, is the rated duration short circuit. Actually, what is the simply meaning of this one? It is the time that the circuit breaker or the switch gear can withstand during the short circuit. So normally here, as per IEC, it is recommending to use 1 second withstand time, the duration, and also giving you some alternatives with a range starting from 0.5 up to 3 seconds. And as we know, if we increasing the number of seconds, mean we increasing the rapidity of the circuit breaker and the complete assembly of the switch gears, so the price will be more expensive. So let's go to IEEE C3706. Actually, here the selection is very straightforward. Here is giving you table 1 in this standard, selecting you how, showing you how to select the rated continuous current and the rated short circuit current as well. So actually, selection is based on the system voltage range. For example, here in the first, if we can, for example, take example 4.76 is referring to 4.16 kilovolt. So the range here from 1200 to 4000 M, and you find another range in between, which is like 2000 and 3000 also. And the rated short circuit current can be, for example, from 31.5 up to 63. So we can take example, if you, for example, selecting 1200 M, you have found the range for 31.5 from this one, 40, 50, 63. But for example, if you selected 4000 M, only you will find 50 and 63. You cannot find, for example, if you select 4000, you cannot find 40 or 31.5. Or you can take another example for 13.8 kilovolt, which is mentioned here, 15 kilovolt, also giving you range from 1000 to 1200 amp up to 4000 amp, and also the range from 20 kilo amp to 63 kilo amp, and select the same. For example, if you're selecting 3000 and it's 3000, so we have a range here for short circuit 40 kilo amp and 50 kilo amp, and this and also 63 kilo amp, but I cannot find 31.5 or 25 or 20 kilo amp, and this you can select it based on your short circuit calculation study. So I hope that this video is simple and helpful for you to know some new information about the medium voltage circuit breakers. So thank you, and see you in another videos. And if you think this video is helpful for you or you get new information, so I'm requesting you to make like, share, and subscribe.